How to use Google Maps Live View feature. Well, in order to use Google Maps Live View or augmented reality feature, what you can do is you can open up the Google Maps app on your Android or iOS, then type in your destination and choose a location within walking distance. So once you have done so, what you want to do is tap directions and select the working icon here, as you can see. Now, once you have done so, as you can see now, the next step is look at the bottom of the screen to the start button. Next to the start button, you shall find the option that says live view. Now in my case, in my region, it's not available, but you should be able to find the live view option. So that way you'll be able to get the live view feature. Now similarly, lately, now you can also tap on the particular location, and down below you should be able to see the AI view option. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see the live view. You can also see the aerial view and the live view as well. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.